So recently I had many queries about how to create a sticky header in our website. That is basically we want this particular header on the very top when we'll scroll our website. Okay, so let's know how to do it in a very easier manner in just 2-3 seconds only. Okay, so simply just create it as a grouping. Just do a grouping of this particular header you have created, that is Command G. Okay, so now what you are going to do here is go to prototype, go to here like scroll behavior, from scroll with parent to sticky, stop at the top edge, and let's check it by playing it. So it will take just a minute. And so see how easy it was to create a sticky top header in a just a minute. Okay, so for these small Figma tips, stay connected with Design Bytes. Thank you and have a nice day.